Namaskara. Dear students, we are solving some of the problems on electrostatic potential and capacitance. Today, we will move ahead with some more problems on this chapter. Then let's have the first problem of our this session. A 12 picofarad capacitor is connected to a 50 volt battery. How much electrostatic energy is stored in this chapter? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ದತ್ತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. There is a capacitor of 12 picofarad. 12 picofarad means 12 into 10 power minus 12 farads is connected to a battery of 50 volt. 50 volt ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. How much electrostatic energy is stored in the capacitor? ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. We can express the energy stored in a capacitor in three formulas. ಯಾವ formula? U is equal to half Q square by C in terms of charging capacitance. U is equal to half Q into V in terms of charge and potential. U is equal to half CV square in terms of capacitance and potential difference. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ potential difference ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ 50 volts, capacitance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. Then the potential energy in the capacitor is defined as U is equal to half CV square. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. U is equal to half capacitance 12 pico 10 power minus 12 into 50 volts 50 square. On solving 50 square 2500 divided by 2 or 2 ones are 2 6 are or divide ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ U is equal to half into 12 into 10 power minus 12 2500 50 square ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. On simplifying U is equal to 15,000 into 10 power minus 12 joules. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 30 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ then it is 15 into 10 power minus 9 joule is the potential energy stored in this capacitor. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. In a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates, each plate has area 6 into 10 power minus 3 square and distance between the plates is 3 millimeter. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, if the capacitor is connected to a 100 volt supply, what is the charge on each plate of the capacitor? Third one is, what is the energy stored in the capacitor? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ದತ್ತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. There is a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates. between the plates ಯಾವ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇದೆ? ಏರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ absolute permittivity ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the dielectric constant K is equal to 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then the area of each plate is 6 into 10 power minus 3 meter square. List down it. Area is 6 into 10 power minus 3 meter square. Distance between the plate is 3 millimeter. That is nothing but 3 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Then he has given the potential connected to the capacitor is 100 volt. We have to calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. Then we have to calculate charge on each plate of the capacitor when the potential is connected. Then at that time what is the energy stored in the capacitor? ಮೂರು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. In the first case we have to calculate capacitance of the capacitor. ನಮಗೆ area of the plate ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, distance between the plate ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Then we can make use of the relation for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Substitute the values. Epsilon naught ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Then area is 6 into 10 power minus 3. Distance between the plates is 3 into 10 power minus 3. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. On simplification, simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 cancel ಆಯಿತು. 3 ones are 3 twos are cancel ಆಯಿತು. Then the capacitance is 17.708 into 10 power minus 12 farads or 17.708 picofarads is the capacitance of that capacitor. Then let's go for second condition. When the potential of 100 volt is connected, then what is the charge stored? The charge on each plate of the capacitor, we know the basic relation, C is equal to Q into V. Capacitors ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, potential ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, potential difference. Then what is the charge? Cross multiplied, Q is equal to C into V. Substitute the values. C is 17.708 into 10 power minus 12. We have calculated potential difference across the plates. It has been given that 100 volt multiplied. It is 1770.8 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb. This is the charge stored on each plate of the capacitor. On one plate it is positive charge, on another plate it will be a negative charge. Then let's go for third case. ಮೂರನೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ನೋಡೋಣ. The energy stored in the capacitor. ನೋಡಿ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಮೂರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, capacitance ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, potential ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Let's make use of any of the relation for energy. Here I am using U is equal to half Q square by C. You can use half Q into V, or you can use half CV square. Make use of any relation. Substitute the values. U is equal to half. Q is 1770.8 into 10 power minus 12 whole square, and charge is 17.708 into 10 power minus 12 whole square. Now ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, whole square ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it will be 88,540 into 10 power minus 12 joules of energy is stored in the capacitor. The point ಅನ್ನ scientific method ಗೆ ರೂಪಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8.854 into 10 power minus 8 joules of energy is stored in the given capacitor in the given condition. ಮುಂದಿನ ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. In a parallel plate capacitor with air between plates, each plate has an area of 8 into 10 power minus 3 meter square, and the distance between the plates is 2 millimeter. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. If the capacitor is connected to a 50 volt supply, what is the charge on each plate of the capacitor? ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ದತ್ತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. A capacitor with air between the plates, dielectric medium ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? air ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ absolute dielectric constant ಏನಾಯ್ತು? K value 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. Then each plate has a area of 8 into 10 power minus 3 meter square. ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ಲೇಟಿನ ಏರಿಯಾ 8 into 10 power minus 3 meter square ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. Let's list on it. Then the distance between the two plates is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter means 2 into 10 power minus 3 meters. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. Capacitance ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Then if this capacitor is connected to a potential difference of a battery of supply of 50 volts, then what is the potential difference given? 50 volts potential difference ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. Then what is the charge on each plate? Along with that, he has given one more quantity. The value of absolute permittivity. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. The value of absolute permittivity of free space is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. Farad per meter ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Farad per meter. This is also SI unit of permittivity. First time we are using this. Farad per meter. Then what are the values you have to calculate? We have to calculate the capacitance. We have to calculate the capacitance, and we have to calculate the charge on each plate of the capacitor. Then let's go with the first quantity. Let's calculate capacitance of the capacitor. Area ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ, distance between the plates ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. Let's calculate the capacitance using the relation C is equal to epsilon RTA by D. Substitute the values substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Epsilon naught he has given, ಅವರೇ ದತ್ತಾಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 8.85. hence we are using 8.85. ಅವ್ರ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we will use 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. ಅವರೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 8.854 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then C is equal to 8.85 into 10 power minus 12, which is given. Area is 8 into 10 power minus 3 given. Then the distance between the plates is 2 into 10 power minus 3. Simplify it. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 vanishes. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. Then the capacitance is 35.4 into 10 power minus 12 farads. That is 30.4 picofarads is the capacitance of the given capacitor. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್? The charge stored on each plate of the capacitor is C is equal to Q by V. Basic definition. Rearrange ಮಾಡೋಣ. Q is equal to C into V. Substitute the value of capacitance and the potential. Therefore, Q is equal to 335.4 into 10 power minus 12 into potential difference is 50. Therefore, on simplifying, Q is equal to 1770 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb. This is the charge stored on each plate of a capacitor, or this can be reduced to 1.770 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb allu baribodu. Nano coulomb or pico coulomb alli ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then let's solve the next problem. In a circular plate capacitor, radius of each plate is 5 centimeter. And they are separated by a distance of 2 millimeter. Calculate the capacitance and energy stored when it is charged by connecting the battery of 200 volt. Given epsilon naught 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹಾಗೂ ದತ್ತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇನೇ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ, ಅದರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟಿನ ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ A is equal to pi r square. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್? 5 centimeter ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. 5 into 10 power minus 2 meter. And they are separated by a distance of 2 millimeter. Distance between the plate is 2 millimeter. That is 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Then calculate the capacitance and energy stored when it is connected to a battery of 200 volt. 200 volt battery connect ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. And it is given that the absolute permittivity is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. ಅವನು ದತ್ತಾಂಶವಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನೇನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ we have to calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. Then we have to calculate energy stored in the capacitor. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. In the first case, we have to calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. What is the capacitance? We have know the radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ, area ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, distance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. Then we can make use of the relation C is equal to epsilon naught A by D to calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. Now substitute the value. C is equal to epsilon naught. What is the area given? The plate is circular, hence area is pi r square. Area of the ಪ್ಲೇಟಿನ ಆಕಾರ ವೃತ್ತಾಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವೃತ್ತಾಕಾರದ ಪ್ಲೇಟಿನ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ pi r square ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ, ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 pi 22/7. R is 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. Then distance between the plates is 2 into 10 power minus 3. ಈ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. C is equal to 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 22/7. 5 into 10 power minus 2 whole square is 25 into 10 power minus 2. On simplifying the given equation, it will be 347.68 into 10 power minus 13 farads. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಬಳಕೆಯಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. This is the capacitance of that given capacitor. Then let's calculate what is the energy stored in the capacitor when it is connected to 200 volt supply. The energy stored potential ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, capacitance ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Let's make use of these two values to calculate the energy stored. U is equal to half CV square. Substitute the value of capacitance and the potential difference between the plates. U is equal to half capacitance ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ 347.68 into 10 power minus 13. Potential is 200. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ 200 square 400 ಆಯಿತು. 400 can be written as 40,000 can be written as 10 power 4. Then on simplifying 2 ones are 2 2s are cancel ಆಯಿತು. 2 into 347.68, then it is 695.36 into 10 power minus 13 into 10 power plus 4, 10 power minus 9 joules. Therefore the energy stored in the capacitor is 695.36 into 10 power minus 9 joules of energy is stored in the given capacitor. ಮುಂದಿನ ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. The plates of a parallel plate capacitor has an area of 100 centimeter square each and are separated by 3 millimeter. The capacitor is charged by connecting to a supply 400 volt. Calculate the electrostatic energy stored in the capacitor. Second one, if a dielectric of dielectric constant 2.5 is introduced between the plates of the capacitor, then find the electrostatic energy stored and also change in energy stored. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The plates of parallel plate capacitor has an area of 100 centimeter square. Area of the plates ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Area of the plate is 100 centimeter square. Centimeter square ಅನ್ನ SI convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 centi means 10 power minus 2 whole square 10 power minus 4 meter. This is the area of the plate. Then they are separated by 3 millimeter. Therefore distance between the plates is 3 millimeter. D is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 3 meter, and they are connected to a supply of 400 volt. Therefore V is equal to 400 volt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? We have to calculate the electrostatic energy stored in the capacitor. Capacitor ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ electrostatic energy U is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ? A dielectric has been introduced. ಒಂದು ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಟಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. ಅದರ ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2.5 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಎನರ್ಜಿಗಳ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಮೂರು ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ದತ್ತಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಏರಿಯಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬೇಕು. therefore let's calculate the capacitance. Capacitance ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ using area and distance. Okay, then by calculating capacitance, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮವನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the medium between the plates is air. First case ಅಲ್ಲಿ he has not discussed about any medium, hence the medium between the plates in the first case is air. In the second case there is a medium with dielectric constant 2.5. Therefore in the first case there is no medium between the plates, hence air is the medium. Then let's calculate the energy. First calculate the potential capacitance, then calculate the potential energy. Then in the first case, let's calculate the capacitance of the capacitor. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Substitute the values. Epsilon naught he has not given. ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we have to make use of the standard value 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Area of the plate 110 power minus 4. Distance between the plates 3 into 10 power minus 3. Then on simplifying, the capacitance is 295.13 into 10 power minus 13 farads. Plus minus 33 mile ಹೋದ್ರೆ plus 3 ಆಯಿತು. plus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 12 10 power minus 13 farads is the capacitance of the given capacitor. Now when it is connected to a source of 400 volts, let's calculate the energy. The energy stored in the capacitor is given by U is equal to half CV square. Capacitance ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, potential ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, substitute ಮಾಡಿ. U is equal to half into 295.13 into 10 power minus 13 into the potential has given 400 volts. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ, 400 into 400 16,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 16 into 10 power 4. On simplifying 2 ones are 2 8s are divided 2 divide 18 multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ energy stored is 2361.06 into 10 power minus 9 joules of energy is stored in the first case with air as medium between the plates. Then let's go with the second case where we have to calculate the capacitance and energy with the dielectric medium with dielectric constant 2.5. Then let's calculate. There is a dielectric medium, the capacitance of the capacitor with the dielectric medium. Then capacitance is given by C dash is equal to epsilon naught K by A. The new capacitance C dash is epsilon naught K by A divided by D. Substitute the values. 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. K is 2.5. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. Area 100 into 10 power minus 4 divided by this distance between the plates is 3 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3 numerator ಹೋಯಿತು. 10 power plus 3 minus 4 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 12 10 power minus 13 ಆಯಿತು. Make use of the calculators. On simplifying, the new capacitance is 737.83 into 10 power minus 13 farads is the capacitance of the capacitor. The new capacitance of that capacitor with dielectric medium. Dielectric medium ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ capacitance ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. Then what is the change? What is the energy stored in this case? ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ energy store ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. The energy stored in the capacitor is U dash equals half C dash V square. U dash equals half C dash V square. Substitute the values. U dash is equal to half. C dash is 737.83 into 10 power minus 13 into potential is 400 volt. 400 on square ಮಾಡಿ 16,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 16 into 10 power 4. On simplifying 5,902.67 into 10 power minus 9 joule. 1,60,000 it is 1,60,000. Therefore 16 into 10 power 4. On simplifying 5,902.67 into 10 power minus 9 joules of energy stored. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 2361 into 10 power minus 9 joule. In this case 5,902.67 into 10 power minus 9 joule. Then what is the change in the potential energy? Let's calculate the third case. What is the change in the potential energy? Therefore delta U, change in energy, is equal to U dash minus U. U dash ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, U ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, substitute ಮಾಡಿ. U dash is 5,902.67 into 10 power minus 9. U is 2361.06 into 10 power minus 9. Now take 10 power minus 9 as common factor. Then on subtracting the given value, the change in the potential energy is 3,541.61 into 10 power minus 9 joule. ಇದನ್ನ scientific notation ಗೆ ತಂದಾಗ, scientific method ಗೆ ತಂದಾಗ delta U is equal to 3.54161 into 10 power 0.3 digit change ಆಗಿದೆ. 10 power minus 6 joules is the energy changed in the capacitor due to the application, due to the usage of dielectric. Let's have one more problem. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has capacitance of 8 picofarad. What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plates is reduced by half. Distance between the plates is reduced by half and space between them is filled by a substance of dielectric constant 6. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ದತ್ತಾಂಶ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates. ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಏರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Then the capacitance of the capacitor is 8 picofarads. Note down, the capacitance is 8 picofarads, 8 into 10 power minus 12 farads. What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plates is reduced? ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಅವನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಹಾಫ್. ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೊಸ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಕ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿನ ಅರ್ಧದಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಬೈ 2. ಹೊಸ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಳೆಯ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿನ ಅರ್ಧದಷ್ಟು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಬೈ 2. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಆಫ್ ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 6. ಇವಾಗ ಹೊಸ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದರ ಡೈಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 6 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಹೊಸ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. The capacitance of the capacitor without dielectric medium, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ, ಸರಿ 8 picofarads ಅಂತ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ capacitance without dielectric medium epsilon naught A by D is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 12 farads. It has been given. Now he has introduced a dielectric medium with change in the distance between the plates. The new capacitance with dielectric and d dash distance between the plates is d by 2. Then the capacitance is given by epsilon naught Ka by the new distance is d dash. D dash is the new distance. Now substitute the values. K value ಮತ್ತೆ d dash ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Epsilon naught Ka by d dash is d by 2. 2 ಅನ್ನು with 2 ಮಾತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. C dash is equal to 2k epsilon naught A by D. What is epsilon naught A by D? It is nothing but capacitance of the capacitor without dielectric in a value epsilon naught A by D. Then substitute for epsilon naught A by D. C dash is equal to 2k epsilon A by D ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ, it is the capacitance without dielectric is C ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now substitute the values. 2 into K is 6. Capacitance has been given 8 into 10 minus 12 farad. Then on simplifying, the new capacitance with the dielectric and reduced distance is 96 into 10 power minus 12 farads. This is the capacitance of the capacitor with the dielectric and reduced distance between the plates. Dear students, we have solved some of the problems on electric potential in capacitance in this session. We will have some more problems in the next session. Namaskar.